Sobrang hataw din nila kanina. Itong friend kong isa. May nangyari. What happened, JM?
Medyo umikot na po talaga yung paningin ko after.
Kasi nanghina ka daw, tas hindi ka makatayo.
Kasi sobrang hingal, hindi ako makahinga maayos. Tapos umikot na yung paningin ko, so sabi ko, wait lang, teka lang.
But all of this happened backstage.
Yes, yes.
After the performance, hindi namin halata on screen that there was something wrong.
I had to, you know, the show must go on. Actually, after talaga, sobrang nafe-feel ko na siya. Parang, usually, na-feel ko na to before, pero now kasi parang extra yung effort ba to actually like, syempre yung character, yung choreography, it's very complex. So, feeling ko yung effort sobrang sumagad to a point na sumagad din yung ulo ko.
Ayun na. Ikaw, Boss, how are you?
Actually, rehearsals pa lang talaga. Ano na siya, challenging na. Kasi cardio siya. Ang dami talagang steps na kailangan namin i-memorize. Tapos, may mga movements na hindi ako familiar with. Pero, nilaban talaga namin.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you guys. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Pagpapahingahin ko muna tong partner ko. Sobrang energy yung binigay.
Siyempre, all for my partner.